In today's video, we'll go into the email marketing system structure and see clearly how things work. In our last video, we looked at what email marketing is and the different type of email marketers that exist. Take note that this video in this series are linked in such a way that you need to watch one part before watching the other, so you're able to understand the basics from the scratch and see clearly how things work when it comes to what email marketing system structure. The email marketing system structure consists of two main parts, and during the course of this video, I will explain each and every one of them to you, so stay tuned. The main factor which allows emails to reach people's email addresses is the SMTP part, not the email sender as many people would think. Meanwhile, if you missed the introductory part of this video series, please go to the part 1 of it and watch. Take a look from the scratch. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check it out. You don't need to worry about anything as we'll go through this course together in a step-by-step process while I take things slowly, explaining each and every topic in details from beginning till the end. So stick with me to the end as we'll go about this in just a little while. Meanwhile, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Peter from Digital Earning Palace. Here on this channel, I usually publish content relating to making money online, digital marketing, online businesses, and anything else related. So if you like content like this, then subscribe now to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you are the first to be notified when I actually release future updates. Now let us establish the fact that an email marketing system consists of two parts. The very first is something which sends email over the internet, known as the SMTP server. Yes, SMTP server. This is the technical part of an email marketing system, which is responsible for sending emails over the internet. The SMTP simply means Simple Mail Server. The second part of the email marketing system is the email marketing application, where you manage the SMTP, your email marketing campaign, and also your email list. This email marketing application is connected with the SMTP in order for you to send emails, because the SMTP will not know what emails to send. You therefore need something in which you can use to manage the SMTP server, called the email marketing application. Please note that the email marketing software alone cannot send emails, and the SMTP alone cannot send email marketing campaigns. They both need to be connected together. Let us now go deeper into the meaning of the SMTP server and see how things work. For you to be a master email marketer, you need to understand things a little bit more. So what exactly is SMTP? The Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is a network protocol with sets of commands that is used to send emails over the internet. Whenever you want to send emails, you make use of the SMTP. Basically, an SMTP is that thing that is used to send emails. Now before we proceed, please give this video a like. Hit that like button right below this video. Okay. Now let us explain the email sending operation. If you intend to send an email to someone, the normal procedure usually is to open an email client such as Outlook, your mobile phone, or whatever you are using. You insert the two addresses, write out the body, the subject, and then you hit the send button, and then your email is being sent. Now, here is what happens when you hit the send button. The email client will send the email straight to an SMTP server, which is responsible for the email delivery. Once the SMTP server receives the sent email message, it will do certain authentication and check the configuration. And once this server can authenticate and use the server, it will then send the email to the target email server. So if, for instance, you are making use of a Yahoo account to send an email to a Gmail account, the SMTP server of the Yahoo account will receive the email. It will then authenticate you and send your email to your target email server, which in this case is the Gmail. The message will then remain in the Gmail account server until the user of the account opens his inbox. If you have any question at all, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be here to attend to all your questions anytime. Remember, we established earlier that the email marketing system consists of two parts, SMTP server and the email marketing application. And we have just finished looking at what the SMTP server is. Now the second part of the email marketing system is the email application, where you manage the SMTP. The second part of the email marketing system is the email marketing application, where you manage the SMTP, your email marketing campaigns, and also your email list. There are a whole lot of email marketing applications out there. A few examples of them are MailWiz, MailStar, SendBlaster, Microsoft Outlook, and so on. Now, the above mentioned are email sender applications, which you can connect to an SMTP and then begin sending emails. These two parts, the SMTP and the email sender applications, are connected to form one email marketing system. Now that we have understood what the email marketing system is and how it is structured, let us take a look at what options are available to you and your business in order for you to build your own email marketing system. Now, very shortly, we're going to talk about what are the best available choices for you in order for you to build your own email marketing system. So the first option is to go ahead, subscribe to an email marketing company. Now, a very good thing about these kind of companies is that they have both the SMTP servers and also the email marketing applications combined already. This means that they have the full platform, but then they do not tell you or show you all the technicalities that happen behind. They just show you a simple and easy to use interface that you can use to manage your email marketing setup. Now, the second option is to build an email marketing setup from the scratch. Now, in this case, you build your own email marketing application and you also build your own SMTP server, and then you connect them together. However, there may be some form of technicalities when you want to build your own SMTP server, but then you don't need to worry, as I would explain how you can go about this here on this channel. So feel free to review some of the videos, as I'll be leaving links in the description showing you details on how to go about this. The second option, like we're stating, is that you build everything by yourself from the scratch, which include building the SMTP server, the email marketing application, and then managing it yourself. This, by the way, is not much of a big deal, like I've said before, following the videos that I'm going to be publishing here on this channel that will show you exactly how you can set up an SMTP server and then to build your own email marketing application, and then how you can connect the both of them together and then manage this email marketing application. Now, the third option is more like a mixture between the SMTP server and your own email marketing application. In this case, you can simply subscribe to an SMTP server or get an SMTP server, which we did not personally build, but then we buy. And we have our own email marketing applications such as MailWiz, SendBlaster, or whatever the case may be. Then we connect them together. Then we have a full email marketing system. Now, if you go with this process, you don't need to worry about the technicalities involved with building an SMTP server from the scratch, since you have already subscribed or bought one already. So the three options are to subscribe to an email marketing company, build an email marketing system from scratch, or you combine an SMTP server provider with your own email marketing application.